model, 70-plate Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 Enterprise Blue 2.2 HDI needs turbo repair VAT. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 113034. MOT, the 25th of September 2025. Engine, 2179 cc BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Also gearbox will not stay in first gear, so will need repairing or replacing. Can still be driven, just use second gear, and obviously needs the turbo replacing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is